से एक बार और रिपीट कर दे रहे हैं। For the image formation, if the object is at infinity in front of a concave mirror, then the light ray being incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the focus. Hence, here these two reflected rays will meet and here the image will form, which will be point size are diminished and the image is formed here and this point is focus, so image is formed that focus. And third one is the image formed will be real because they really join at F after replace. Clear? Now case second. This is the concave mirror. Between इसको दो तरीके से लिखते हैं। ठीक है, फर्स्ट वे या तो आप दोनों की बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और बियॉन्ड सी, दो रीजन, दो तरीके हैं इसको लिखने के लिए। बिटवीन बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और बियॉन्ड सी। तो इफ द this is a this is a concave mirror. This is focus. And listen, students, be sure when you are going to form an image, minimum you have to take two incident rays to form the image. And be sure this is the distance from the focus. At same distance, there will be a point C, which is center of curvature. Now the question, this is the distance which is infinite and the object is situated between infinite and center of curvature. So let us see the object is here. This is the position of the object placed between center of curvature and infinity. If the light ray will pass through the, sorry, will be incident parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it will pass through the focus. This is the point. After being incident parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus after reflection. जब प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल लाइट रे पास होगी तो कहां से पास होके जाएगा? फोकस से। तो वी हैव टेकन अ सिंगल रे हियर, लाइट रे, दिस वन। नाउ वन मोर रे इज रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर्म द इमेज हियर। तो वन टेक अ लाइट रे विच पास थ्रू द फोकस। ठीक है, मिनिमम टू रे, देखो एक तो इसके पैरेलल इंसिडेंट करा दिया और दूसरा इसके फोकस से पास करा। तो इफ द लाइट रे विल इंसिडेंट pass through the focus, after reflection will get parallel to the principal axis. This is the reflected ray. Then the incident ray or these two reflected rays will really join at this point. So here the image will form and this will be the position of the image and it will be like this, and this position of the image is between C and F, between center of curvature and focus. का मतलब ये हो गया कि पहला अगर कंक्लूजन लेंगे तो रियल तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, नो डाउट, बिकॉज द light ray, reflected light ray really join or meets here. So the image found will be real. The second part, what is the second conclusion? Inverted. The image will be inverted. उल्टा बनेगा. जैसे ये ऑब्जेक्ट की लेंथ है जो कि अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है, इसी के डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज जस्ट उल्टा है, इन्वर्टेड है, ठीक है। एंड थर्ड स्मॉल, स्मॉल बनेगा इन कंपेयर टू ऑब्जेक्ट लेंथ, यानी जितना ऑब्जेक्ट की लेंथ होगी उसके कंपैरिजन इमेज जो है उससे स्मॉल बनेगा, compared to the length of the object, the image length will be small. So there are three और fourth जो position आप conclusion लेंगे between C and F, between C and F. So these are the conclusion. If the object is placed between infinity and center of curvature or beyond C, then the object is found real, inverted, small between C and F. Are you clear about that? Students, are you clear about the image? Third point, suppose that object is placed at the center of curvature. If the object is placed at center of curvature, then how the image will be formed? This is the question. If the object is placed at center, then how the image will be formed? So let us say this is the concave mirror. This is concave mirror, and consider this is your focus at same distance here. There is a center of curve, and the question is object is placed at C. Object is placed at C. Object यहीं पे placed है. So the light ray which will be incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the, सब में वही केसेस है, and take the second, if the light ray will incident or will pass through the focus after being reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. But be sure यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डायग्राम, इसका सरफेस थोड़ा सा ऐसे आएगा, ठीक है। जब आप इसको साइन कन्वेंशन लोगे तो आपको रियल इमेज दिखेगा। The light ray will pass this is the incident ray. Object is here at A, C and B dash. Means the image will form at C if the object is placed at center of curvature and the length of the image will be same as the length of the object. If the object is placed at C, then what is the conclusion? The first one is the image formed is real. पहला तो रियल बनेगा. सेकेंड क्या होगा? इन्वर्टेड, उल्टा बनेगा. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट सेम. सेम मतलब इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड लेंथ. और फोर्थ फोर्थ क्या बनेगा? एट सी. मतलब रियल, इन्वर्टेड, सेम साइज या सेम और एट सी इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. Come to the next case between C and F. Consider the object is placed here between C and F. Then the light ray incident will pass through the focus, means it will pass through the focus after reflection. And the second, the light ray passing through the focus after reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. So this is the reflection of this is the, and the image will form here like this. A dash. Now what the conclusion you will conclude here? देखो एक तो if the object is placed between C and F, then the object image will be enlarged. पहली बात तो ये रियल बनेगा ही बनेगा, because the object reflected ray are really joined at a point after reflection. The second one is inverted, उल्टा बनेगा. The light ray image will form be inverted, means ulta. And third, real inverted larger होगा, larger than the length of the object. And fourth, beyond C. Beyond C बोलो या between infinite and center of curvature. So these are the conclusion if the object is placed between C and F. Now come to say if the object is placed at F at focus, what happens if the object is placed at focus? This is the object AB which is placed at focus and at the same distance there is a center of there. Then the light ray passing parallel या beam incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection it will pass through the, because the object is placed here and this is the point. And the second, where you will get the second light rays? In this case, आपको because I have told you कि minimum two rays are required to form the image. Minimum two light rays are required to form the image. Here one light ray we have taken which is parallel being incident parallel to the principal axis, and second ray is required. See, if you are taking the light ray which is being incident or being passes through the center of curvature like this. Light ray is being passed incident or passes through the center of curvature, then definitely you know it will get reflected back. अगर लाइट रे इधर से सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से पास हो रहा है तो फिर will get reflected back in the same direction. Then the where the image will forms, the image will form as since the reflected ray and incident ray both are parallel to each other, that means they will never join to each other, so the image will form at infinity. So what you conclude here, पहली बात तो रियल तो बनना ही बनना है, और सेकंड कहाँ बनेगा, बैक इंफिनिटी, इंफिनिटी के बाद थर्ड इनलार्ज बहुत बड़ा बनेगा, रियल बनेगा, बैक इंफिनिटी बनेगा, इनलार्ज बनेगा, और क्या होगा, इन्वर्टेड होगा, inverted. So these are the conclusions. The image formed will be real at infinity, enlarged and inverted, because you can see the light ray, incident ray and reflected ray never join to each other at any point. Now the next is, if the object is placed near the mirror, and very close to mirror, if the object is placed. For example, this is the sixth part between F and mirror. या तो ऐसे लिखते या और करके लिखते हैं between F and P, और करके लिख रहे हैं close to mirror. There are three options which may be given in your question paper. Either it will say the object is placed between focus and mirror, or between focus and pole, or very close to mirror. These three statements are said. मतलब if this is a concave mirror and this is a focus, तो ऑब्जेक्ट फोकस पे भी ना हो करके ये बहुत ही क्लोज जो है यहाँ पे situated at between near the mirror. Suppose that this. Then consider one incident light ray which will get reflected and pass through the focus. पहले तो पैरेलल इंसिडेंट कराएंगे जो फोकस से पास होगा, and the second is the light ray which will pass through the center of curvature. Center of curvature will get reflected back. And if you will join these two, will produce reflected ray from the center of curvature and principal and focus, then what you will observe here? What will you observe here? यहाँ लिख दे रहा है close to mirror. अगर you will produce this reflected ray in backward direction and in this behind the mirror, then they will appear to join at this point and the image will form here. A dash A. Now what to conclude here? It says here just we are imagining that the light ray or the reflected light ray are joining here. Not really, it is virtual. So if the object will be near the mirror, then what the conclusion you will conclude? The first one is virtual. पहला तो वर्चुअल बनेगा. द सेकेंड वन इज बिहाइंड मिरर. बिहाइंड मिरर. थर्ड वन इज इनलार्ज्ड. बड़ा बनेगा. इनलार्ज्ड. एंड फोर्थ पॉइंट नॉट इन्वर्टेड, इरेक्ट. इन्वर्टेड उल्टा नहीं बनेगा, सीधा बनेगा. तो इरेक्ट. दिस इज इरेक्ट. ठीक है. तो वर्चुअल, बिहाइंड द मिरर, enlarged and erect. In these cases, the image will form if the object will place close to the mirror. ठीक है. तो here you have seen six positions of the object if the it is placed in front of the mirror and how the image is formed by the concave mirror. Now the time is questioning from you and you will reply the answer. Okay? You will reply the answer. The first question is, what is the nature of the image if it is placed at infinity in front of the concave mirror? Reply students. What? Add focus. Abhi, write all the characteristics. Not only focus, पूरा डिटेल जो हमने आपको 4 पॉइंट बताया ना, वो 4 पॉइंट आपको बताने हैं. If the object is placed at infinity, केवल एक पॉइंट है. देखो जितने भी हमने इमेज के नेचर बताया है, 4 नेचर बताए, तो 4 आपको बताने. एड फोकस, रियल, डिमनिस्ट. एक एक मत बताओ, 4 आए. वो रियल, डिमनिस्ट, एट फोकस, यस. इन्वर्टेड को तो कोई सवाल बिल्कुल. रियल, इन्वर्टेड, डिमनिस्ट का मतलब पॉइंट साइज बनेगा, तो वहां पे आपको इन्वर्जन तो दिखेगा भी नहीं. ठीक है, बिल्कुल पॉइंट साइज बनेगा. ओके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the nature of the image if the object is placed beyond C? Yes, real, inverted, between C and F. Students, you are applying only one or two nature, but I have told you 4. जैसे Alti has replied real, inverted, diminished, between C and F. ठीक है. रियल इन्वर्टर, रियल inverted, between center of, yes, these are the nature of the image form. Okay. All of you clear about that? The third part is, what is the nature of the image if it is placed at C? Reply first. I want to see who is replying first. I want to see who is replying first. Vaibhav at C. Real, inverted, equal, good, same size, real, inverted. दिव्यांशी वैभव एट सी इक्वल ठीक है बेटा गुड अवनीश आयुषी पांडे आदित्य सिंह हैज रिप्लाइड गुड स्टूडेंट्स गुड concept now what is the Nandini Goswami अच्छा has also replied first time I think Nandini has replied uh, next one anyone is left चलो what is the nature Priyanshi real inverted same size yes now the fourth is what is the nature of the image if the object is placed between C and F between C and F real inverted beyond center of curvature or larger good Divyanshi has replied completely IUC has also Akansha has yes you say, may say magnified also ठीक है that is good concept very good is now the fifth part is what is the nature of the image if the object is placed at focus बोलो what is the nature of the image at infinity real magnified or inverted yes magnified or not focus focus नहीं बोलेंगे magnified real inverted at infinity ठीक है because the reflected ray will never join to each other now the last part what is the nature of the image if the object is placed between C and P between C and P behind the mirror virtual erect और एक और छूट रहा है बेटा एक और छूट रहा है सब बता रहे हैं एक यस मैं आईयूसी हैज गिवन द आंसर मैग्नीफाइड larger good larger magnified between beyond behind the mirror these are the nature of the image formed and students these are the natures and how the question will be asked in your question paper say in your question paper either it will given a incomplete diagram and you have to complete the ray diagram जैसे अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पेपर में एक मिरर ऐसे बोल दिया ठीक है और एक लाइट रे ऐसे करा दिया और आपसे कह दिया कि कंप्लीट द रे डायग्राम so you know what is the completion of this ray diagram since you know this is the concave mirror and it is passing parallel to the principal axis then definitely after reflection will pass through the so you will complete after reflecting the light ray passing through the so first case फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे ही आपको मिलता है कि बाय कंप्लीशन ऑफ द रेड लाइट रे कुछ इनकम्प्लीट डायग्राम दिया होगा उसको कंप्लीट करके आपको आंसर देना होगा ठीक है सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या होगा सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या होगा सेकेंड में क्वेश्चन जो आपसे पूछ सकता है वो न्यूमेरिकली बेस्ड हो या सेकेंड टाइप का क्वेश्चन किस टाइप का हो सकता है नेचर ऑफ द इमेज पूछ सकता है कि नेचर ऑफ द इमेज थ्योरेटिकली पूछ सकता है कि इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट दिस पोजीशन देन द व्हाट विल बी द नेचर ऑफ द इमेज सो यू हैव द हाउ द इमेज nature of the image is if it is placed at the certain places. ठीक है. Now the what is the third type of question? पहला तो एक हो गया incomplete ray diagram दिया रहेगा उसको complete करना होगा. दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ सकता है कि what is the nature of the image if it is placed at a certain places. Just you have seen. और थर्ड टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपका बनता है जिसको बोलते हैं न्यूमेरिकल. ठीक है. न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन आफ्टर कंप्लीशन द रे डायग्राम you will see how the numerically we will solve to find the object distance, image distance and focal length for a given. Okay students, बस आज के लिए इतना है. Okay, thank you students.